What you doing now, Dave?
I'm going to change the oil in my generator.
Your eu7000iS Honda generator.
That's right.
Anything else?
And put an air filter in it.
Oh, okay. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our 𝗍𝗟𝗡𝗏𝗍𝗏, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. It's kind of cold out today.
You want to know? We got 695 hours on it.
Really?
Just let it run for a little while and heat up.
Yeah, it's only like 45 degrees out today.
Yeah. Huh?
Could you empty it cold?
You could, but it just takes a lot longer to do it. It's easier to get the oil warm so it flows better.
I can't believe we got 650 hours on that.
Yeah, unbelievable. Huh?
Boondocking, Quartzsite, Walmart.
Yeah.
A couple places where they ran out of power. Like when we were in Texas and they had the ice storm, remember that?
Yeah.
Power kept going on and off.
Yeah, it doesn't take long, does it?
How long do you gotta let that run for to warm it up?
Until I start feeling some heat coming out of the rear end here.
Oh, okay. That is so quiet.
It is.
Just standing here about 5 feet away.
Yeah.
That's one thing I really liked about this generator is it's been very reliable and it's quiet.
It is.
Of course, when you start pulling power from it, it's a little louder, but other than that...
Well, here's full power.
That ain't bad.
That's full power.
Yeah. I like your fancy platform you have it sitting on.
Oh yeah, revamped. We're gonna find out if that works.
Yeah, you just rebuilt that, so we'll be hitting the road pretty soon to see how it holds up. But
We'll be hitting the road, the generator, Mike, too, literally.
No, I think you're gonna be fine. Our tests went over pretty good.
Yeah.
What's nice about it though is with the wheels on the back and the leg in the front, you can move it all around. So even if you can't have the truck parked next to us or in front of us,
yeah,
and you need the generator, you can just always roll it around and have that with us.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing there?
Hooking up my oil pump, my sucker pump. How much cord do I got here?
Well, it's easy access to the oil.
Yep. I do it this way because sitting on the new mount, that's where the oil would come out if I opened up the drain plug, but it would spill all over in there because the new mount's blocking the spillway.
When's the last time you changed the oil?
Last year.
How often should you change it?
They say once every, I think it's every 50 hours. Turn the pump on, and I just stick it down the dipstick tube.
How much does it hold?
A quart.
That's it, huh?
Yeah.
Well, that's going slow.
This will, because it's got real small tube. And the oil's cold.
This is a sure flow. Well, you just hook this to the battery in front of the Suburban to get power. What size ratchet?
12 millimeter.
Don't think it sucked it all out, so now we got to do it the old-fashioned way, huh?
What's all going to be involved?
Drum roll.
Yeah.
No, there's no filter on this.
No.
Oh, you gonna lift that up a little bit?
Yeah, level it off.
Yeah, we don't need the oil running out. What kind of oil are you gonna use?
I'm going to use full synthetic Mobil 1 5W30.
Just happened to have a quart left over from doing Zippy.
Yep.
Smart car. If I see the label.
Extended performance.
Oh. Yeah, we'd be going out to Quartzsite for a month, so definitely going to be needing the generator for that.
Uh-huh. It's right up to the edge of that thing. It's full. And that's where it appears to be. Right, you can see it on the lip in there.
Oh, right just past that ring.
Right.
Okay. Then you got to run it and then check the... Do you have a dipstick on this thing? That is the dipstick. Oh.
Screw this thing in. It's full.
How do you know?
Right there. Well, hard to tell now, but
Well, plus you can see it right
yeah,
there.
you can see it right there.
Very good.
Yeah.
And then you can pump it out. Take it to now you got to change the air filter. Place.
Yeah.
The air filter's on the other side?
Yep.
Oh, you already took it out.
Yeah. Here's the new one.
Oh, well.
So lift up that and that. That comes out of there. And that goes here. Two little slots. Roll it back up in there. You hope.
What keeps that filter in place? I'm seeing it moving already.
These two clips. I gotta get them in there.
Oh, okay. That's it though, huh?
That's it.
Oh, that's nice. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy.
So how many beers, Dave? Oh, come on.
4.
One for the oil and one for the filter. That's all you get.
One to procure the filter, one to procure the oil.
No.
One to take out the pump.
No.
One to drain it all.
It took you a half an hour for the
2
whole
to be
thing.
here with you.
Oh, boy.
Where are we at? That's 7.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.